All right, lots of safety issues in this clip. We need to make sure everything's done safely and carefully. That's a chain that we've got that we just used for the hoisting the motors with. Mark's being pretty careful to use a grade 8 bolt in the one end there, driving a bolt all the way through the chain. You can tell the grade 8 because of the color and the number of marks on the head. He had to remove the computer there so it didn't get torn up from the chain. And there's different chain setups you can buy. If you don't own a forklift, use a little hoist. You can buy them really cheap now from those from auto parts stores or from Harbor Freight. You can also rent them from regular rental service yards to lift the engine. Okay, now he's got it picked up and he's going to take the crate off the bottom of the engine there. So it's all free and ready to move into place.